Hello everyone, this is the electrical machine 1 lab. In this lab you will actually study all the experiments of electrical machine 1. This is all in this lab. All the machines are of DC or of DC. So DC machines are there. This is the lab assistant. So in this lab you will start the experiment from load test of DC motor, which is your first experiment. Good morning everyone. This is the first experiment of electrical machine. So I'm going to tell you about DC motor, load test on DC motor, right? This load test on DC motor, we will actually study about the load, that how loads work on DC motor, right? So this is the voltmeter, and this is the ammeter. It will measure voltage and current, and this is actually this is a point starter and direct current starter, and this is a switch fuse unit, right? And this is the connection of motor, and this motor is there, and this is the connection showing DC series motor. So this is the motor we are going to study about, and this is the load connected with it. As you can see, this is the load. This belt is kind of load, and this is the specification of this motor. As you know about DC series motor, okay, in DC series motor, the starting torque is very high. So in this DC series motor, we need to actually put load initially so that we can balance the starting torque. So we need to actually. So this is the DC series motor. So starting torque is very high. So to balance the starting torque, this belt is connected, this load is connected. So if it will run without load, it will get burned. The speed will be very high, and it will burn the DC motor, its speed. So this is a tachometer, digital tachometer, to which we will study, we will measure the speed. As I told you, the starting torque is very high. So the application of DC motor is there where we need high starting torque, like crane, lifts and elevators. That's it. So now about the observation table. Observation table will be like that. You all have manuals, so you can study the manual. In that manual, it will explain about this load test of DC motor, and in the manual you will study about, you will measure the voltage, current, then speed of this motor, initial speed, then S1, S2. S1, S2 is spring balance. So this is the spring balance. So you will measure S1 and S2 from here, and then S1, S2, the difference between S1 and S2 come over here. And as you can see in the manuals, all the formulas are given of torque and input watts and output watts and efficiency. So you can measure all the values of torque, input, output. Now we will start the experiment. This is the connection we have done. So now to start the experiment, firstly you need to switch on this switch fuse unit. So you need to. So now you have given the supply. Now this is actually the direct current starter. So the maximum voltage is 230 volt. So you need to apply this starter slowly. So as you can see, the motor is started with a very high initial torque. So as you know, this belt is connected. With it, the load is connected. So it will generate. It will actually produce lots of heat. So to counter the heat, we have actually provided some water to cool it down. So after starting this direct current starter slowly, the motor is started, and you need to apply this direct current starter slowly, steadily. So as you can see, the maximum when you applied. So now the direct current starter is at maximum position. So you have applied the direct current starter in it. Now what you need to do, you have to measure voltage, current and speed. After when the motor is running, as you can see, you have to when the motor is running in this experiment, you have to basically maintain the speed of when the motor is running, you have to actually maintain the speed of 1500 rpm. When you press the side button, this one, it will show you the speed. So this digital tachometer use the laser technique to measure the speed. As you can see, the speed is near about like 1500 now, near about 1500. So when you have to fix the speed of 1500. So with the speed of 1500, as you can see, there are some values of S1 and S2. You can actually take the values of S1, S2 from here, and speed is 1500. So with the speed of 1500, you can take the values of voltmeter and ammeter. So we have taken the values of voltmeter, voltage, current and speed, and S1, S2. With the help of formulas given in manual, you can measure torque, input, output and efficiency. Now for the second reading, actually you have to increase the load. You have to increase the load. When you will increase the load, definitely the speed will get decreased. So now the speed is 1530, near about like 1500. So you have actually increased the load, and now you can see the speed is increasing. When you are increasing the load, speed is decreasing and again decreasing. Take the values of current from this ammeter and voltage is from this volt. Now but the problem is when you will increase the load here, the speed will decrease. When the speed will decrease, the current will increase definitely. When the current will increase, it will increase the value. The current will increase, but the rated value of current is only 8 ampere. So you are allowed only to increase the current till 8 ampere. If you increase the current beyond 8 ampere, it will definitely, this system will get burned. So you need to take the values, those values in which the maximum value current is 8 ampere, those values of voltage, current and speed. Now one of the important parameter is the radius of the brake drum. We have taken and we have measured the radius of the brake drum is 0.087 meter. So so after taking different values of speed from 1500 to here, when you increase the load, the speed will definitely got decreased. So you can measure the different value of speed 1500 to 1270, and respectively the current will also increase and voltage will be same, and you can measure all the values of torque, output and input efficiencies according to you. So these are some measurements, values, readings which we have taken. So kindly go through these readings and try to understand as much as possible. Thank you.